Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a Nika and a lens cut haul video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So let me show you the Nika product first. So the very first thing that I bought is a foundation from Nika, which is a Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. So I have this in a shade 08 Pure Olive. Guys, this is a very good foundation. It matches my skin. Let me show you how it is. So this is how you get. Okay, so I'll link everything in the description box. Its price is 799. So I'm going to show you. This is the shade. It's very nice, guys. You can see it blends it very perfectly. Okay, so I highly recommend this to you guys. It's a very good foundation. So let's go to the second product. What's there? Yeah, the second product that I got from Nika is a nail polish, which is in the shade 170. This is also a very good product. I forgot the price of this product, but I'll link everything in the description box. So okay, let me show you once the color of this nail polish. This is how it looks. It's very good, guys. You can try it if you want to. Okay, so let's go to the third product, which is, okay, this is also a very good face serum, which I bought from Mamaearth. So this is my second purchase from Mamaearth. I had already one from this, so after using it, then only I am recommending you for this. So let me show you how is this. It's a very light product, and it's a very nice. I mean, you can try it if you want to, and it costs 599, that is 600 rupees. Yeah, so it is Mamaearth Skin Plump Face Serum with hyaluronic acid and rose lip oil. So yeah, you can try it if you want to. And the fourth product that I have is also from Mamaearth, which is ultra light Indian sunscreen. So it is SPF 50. Yeah, SPF 50, and its price is 199, that is 200. So let me show you this also. This is the smallest version that I got because I want to try it. So this is not the first purchase, obviously. Oops, sorry. So this is how it blends. It is also a very good product and very light, and yeah, it is meant for our Indian skin. Okay, so the next product that I have got is from Maybelline. Okay, the Nudes Maybelline New York eyeshadow palette. So let me show you. Yeah, so as you can see here, I have used this shade very much. I mean, I can use it as my highlighter also, eyeshadow, everything. I'll show you how it looks. Can you see it? Yeah, this is, it's a very nice eye palette because you can see all the nude colors here. You can use it as your highlighter also, two in one, you know. So yeah, you can have this if you want to. And it costed me something 600 something, I think. I got it in discount. So yeah, now the last product that I have from Nika is the same, from Maybelline eyeshadow palette, the Blushed Nudes. Okay, so this I have not used much because I like that previous one with the golden one, but here also you can get all the nude colors. As you can see, everything is so good, perfect. See? Okay, yeah, here you can see the color. So this also costed me the same price, I think 600 something. I got it in discount. So this is my last product that I bought from Nika. Okay, now let's see what I bought from Lenskart. So I have bought two sunglasses from Lenskart, and the first one is, let me just open it. Okay, so I bought it from a brand called Vincent Chase. I think I have pronounced it correctly. And this is how it comes. And guys, it is a perfect aviator. Everybody must have, I think. It is a golden brown aviator with a perfect golden detailing in its boundary also everywhere, as you can see. And I highly recommend you guys. It's very good. I mean, at least at this range. The original price of this sunglass is 999, but I got that in discount, which I'm going to tell you after showing my second purchase. Okay, so okay, again I bought from the same brand, that is Vincent Chase. Let me just quickly open it, and wow, this is how it comes. And this is a perfect sunglass for me. It's a hexagonal shape, black green sunglass. It comes with silver detailing all over, and it is very good. I just loved it. So I got these two products at around rupees 1700. I got some 300 rupees off. So guys, if you like my channel, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.